Are you recording still? Oh my god. Okay, hello folks at home. With your Glowforge laser cutter, you should have also received 2 packages. One package should have the venting hose, and the other package should have some of the proof grade materials. What we're gonna do right now is a little unboxing of the materials and all the added supplies that you are going to require or be required so you can use your Glowforge. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So what we got here, oh, this appears to be just random wood. I don't think this is Glowforge wood though. I think this is just random wood. Oh, yeah, this is what from a coach wood that my parents got. So they got a lot of birch wood here. This isn't part of the video. Let us unbox the actual Glowforge materials, shall we? The box. We shall unbox and unveil the proof grade stuff should be in here, as well as the bed that you are going to need to operate your Glowforge machine. Let's open this. Oh, doggy. That's open. And this is open. You open it. I am opening it right now.
First time. Do you want a
For woo! It's open. It's open.
Hola, papi.
Hello. It's ready?
So close. It's so close to being ready. All right, moment of revealing what's inside this box. Here it comes. Ah! This is very important. You want to treat this as if it was your newborn child, because this is where the magic happens. Here you will place all of your materials and it will cut and engrave for you. This wonderful comb bed shall go into the Glowforge. That's what we're gonna do right now. We are going to place this inside of the Glowforge, and the Glowforge should have some grooves for you to place this bed in properly. You want to be very gentle. Okay, so the Glowforge should have 4 grooves here, 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 and here, which match the grooves that are here. You want to make sure you put this bed in very much centered and aligned with those grooves. And you want to make sure you don't hit your Glowforge laser head, because then an explosion could happen and you don't want to do that. So be very gentle. And it should just slide and lock into place, and it should not move. It should be very hard to move if it is properly locked into place. It's gonna be the cable. It's very simple setup. Here is the cable for the electricity, and here are all the proof grade materials. So these are all the materials that they hand-picked that are best for the machine. You can always get materials anywhere else, but these are top-notch. These have a code in them, and the Glowforge reads the code and knows exactly what to do.
Knows the cut settings.
It knows,
temperatures and everything.
yeah,
It's supposed to use.
It knows the exact settings to use. It knows everything. With other materials, you're gonna have to play around with it.
Yeah, if you use material it's not proof grade, you have to optimize
Yeah.
your settings, your power, and
Yeah.
speed and everything.
Yeah, exactly. But they have all the settings for all the other suppliers on the Glowforge, not the Glowforge page itself, because the Glowforge people want people to buy their proof grade materials. However, the proof grade materials tend to be a little bit more expensive because they are very premium and very perfect materials, and they are good to go from start to finish. With the other materials that you buy, you're gonna have to do a little bit of sanding and other things and try it out. However, the community, the Glowforge community, has already tried out all the other suppliers, so they have their settings up. The Glowforge community is very helpful, so they will have everything set up so you know, or a base of what, you know,
Where to start?
where to start. Yes, they'll have that for you. Continue. You're just gonna connect to the Glowforge and a Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi and connect.
Okay, and my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, in your Wi-Fi. And you just please wait. So you're almost ready to print. Name your Glowforge whatever you want.